Alright guys, so while I'm doing my belt, I figured I'd take the time to show you a little bit more of my setup while the bike is clamshelled. So I'm doing the belt because I already have some flat spots on it, even though I changed it before tuning. Tuning can be really hard on the belt, so I can feel it when I'm taking off that there are some flat spots on it, so I'm just gonna preemptively change it. Yeah, so while my bike is open, I figured I'd give you a couple more angles. Got the GT22 Turbo Smart wastegate. I didn't install the PCV yet from the X3, so I just got a little breather there, and it's obviously all the oil fumes are just like spilling out onto the engine, but it's not that big of a deal. I'll get that done this winter. Little shot of the intercooler. We did make sure to build this with an angle to promote airflow to the radiator. Also, we made the fan start 5 Celsius cooler to make sure everything stays nice and cool. I did end up removing my fenders because I kept having the annoying wire getting cut by the wheel problem, and I just don't have time to deal with that right now. So on this side, we went ahead and we reworked the tranny cooler because I wanted the symmetric look on both sides. Here we actually welded, well, I say we, but they, RD Turbo. Actually, their welder, Will Belanger, is a very skilled welder. So we went ahead and welded the piping directly to the throttle body. And then you have, of course, my rear wheel mod that I actually did beginning of last year, I believe. I'll be doing this for a buddy of mine. I'm gonna film the whole thing, show you guys how to do it properly. Like, I've seen a couple people do it before or after myself, and they actually just use spacers here, so it looks awful. What you want to do is actually cut the bolt and rethread it. It's really not that big of a deal. And then the wiring, I prefer to cut and solder them, or else you just have a bunch of wires tie wrapped everywhere. I feel you have enough of those. So yeah, this is my Turbo Ryker, world first. This Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, I'll be live streaming from my chin cam as I go to the quarter mile. If you want to follow me on Facebook, it's just me, Dave Marshall. Instagram is dmboostworks, and my YouTube is dmboost. All right.